Ever dreamt of being your own boss? Building something from the ground up? The freedom, the challenge, the endless cups of coffee, it's all there. But that dream can quickly get bogged down in the nitty-gritty of, well, money. Banks, with their seemingly endless paperwork and hidden fees, can feel like a maze designed to confuse even the most determined entrepreneur. There has to be a better way, right? Enter fintech, the magical blend of finance and technology aiming to shake things up. And today, we're diving deep into one of those fintech players, Lili. Is Lili a bank? Not exactly. But it can be your one-stop shop for getting your business finances on track. Let's unpack what Lili offers, how it works, and, most importantly, who is the bank behind Lili. Cutting through the fintech jargon. Fintech can sound intimidating, but the basic idea is simple: using technology to make financial services faster, easier, and more accessible. Lili is a fintech platform specifically designed for freelancers and small business owners. Think of it as your financial companion. You can open a business checking account, manage your income and expenses, send and receive invoices, and even get tax-saving tools, all through a user-friendly mobile app. Say goodbye to endless spreadsheets and hello to a streamlined financial life for your business. The power of partnership, unveiling Lili's banking partner. Now, the big question, since Lili isn't a bank itself, who holds your money? This is where things get interesting. Lili partners with established, FDIC-insured banks to provide the actual banking muscle. Here's the key takeaway: your money is safe and secure. But there's a twist. Depending on where you are in the U.S., your Lili account might be backed by one of two FDIC-insured banks. Choice Financial Group. Sunrise Banks, N.A. Don't worry, you won't have to jump through hoops to figure it out. When you sign up for Lili, they'll let you know which bank is your partner in financial crime fighting. So, why choose Lili? Beyond the convenience of a mobile app and the safety of FDIC insurance, Lili offers some features specifically designed for business owners. Easy expense categorization, no more digging through receipts at tax time. Lili automatically categorizes your business expenses, making tax filing a breeze. Invoicing made simple. Create and send invoices directly through the app, complete with reminders for late payments. Tax perks. Lili offers tools and resources to help you stay on top of your estimated taxes and avoid scrambling come April. Is Lili right for you? If you're a freelancer, a solopreneur, or just starting your small business journey, Lili could be a great fit. It offers a user-friendly platform, helpful tools, and the security of a traditional bank partnership. However, if you need more complex banking services or have a larger business with multiple employees, a traditional brick-and-mortar bank might be a better option. Lili isn't a bank itself, but it partners with FDIC-insured banks like Choice Financial Group or Sunrise Banks, N.A. to provide secure and convenient banking solutions for freelancers and small businesses. Whether Lili is the perfect fit for you depends on your specific needs. But with its focus on ease of use, helpful tools, and a commitment to making business finances less stressful, it's definitely worth considering. With that, thanks for watching, and until next time.